G'day, 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 guys and gals. Welcome to the Quadding Sue's channel. I'm Q, and today on QTube I'll be doing a tutorial on a solution I found for the lack of backup lights on campers, toy haulers, utility trailers, etc. Let's get started. Okay, so if you're like me, you never really give this much thought, but campers, trailers in general, don't have reverse lights, no backup lights. It's kind of odd, especially for a camper, because you'd think you'd want some backup lights so that when you're backing into that campsite at night after, driving 8 hours to get there from home, you're going to need some reverse lights. So, having discovered this well or not so well known fact, I contacted Auxbeam and said, hey, here's what I need. So they sent me out this. Okay, so these are LED lights that I can mount in the back bumper of my toy hauler. So they sent me 2 of these, so I'm going to mount one on each side of the bumper. And they sent me a harness with a switch, which I don't need because I found something else out that I didn't know. Did you know that 7-pin plugs on your pickup truck going to your trailer, the center pin is hooked up to your reverse lights? Why? There's no reverse lights on trailers. Why do they have it in there? But it's good. I'm happy they do it because this is going to make my job really easy. A wiring harness from the back lights up to the front of the trailer where this little junction box is. There's the wire in there that I tested once I put my reverse lights on. Voila! Power! Okay, so here's the back of my camper, my toy hauler. No reverse lights on this bumper, so I've actually already started grinding, but here's the template I made, and then the light will just go right in here, like so. And here's the junction box on my camper / toy hauler. Now, you'll notice this is the cord that comes to my 7-pin plug-in. And that center plug, that is hooked directly into your reverse lights once you plug it into your pickup outlet. And here you go. Here's the finished product. Put her in reverse, Mrs. Q. Yeah, man, that is bright. Okay, now check this out. Eh? What do you think of that? Pretty dang good there, eh? They're pretty bright. I'm happy with it. And they look like good units too, so it's not like Auxbeam sent me some crap or anything. Like they're a nice setup. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.